Why does your scanner show the P0568 engine code? What does it mean? P0568 is a diagnostic trouble code for cruise control set signal malfunction. This engine code indicates that this means the ECM or BCM has detected an invalid or abnormal voltage signal from the cruise control's set or coast switch for an extended period, preventing the cruise control system from working correctly. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty cruise control switch, wiring issues, damaged clock spring, BCM or ECM fault. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Skoda, Mercedes-Benz, and Volkswagen models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.